Connex is the Association for Multi-Site Facilities Networking. Technology drives every business, and facilities are right there at the top. It measures, monitors, manages, and manipulates data. It gives a facilities executive the ability to do more today than an entire facilities army could do just 10 years ago. 5G, beacon, artificial intelligence, augmented reality, energy management systems, and computerized maintenance management systems are more than just cool tech terms. These professionals are mobile mavens. They direct major facilities projects across hundreds of locations simultaneously. They use technology to manage energy usage, track multi-million-dollar cleaning programs, and solve dozens of facilities challenges on a daily basis.
In 2020, we've seen that FMs need technology now more than ever. With the ongoing epidemic, facility board-ups for the COVID-19 lockdown and civil unrest, as well as natural disasters, FMs have had their fair share of crises to work around. The world of facility management continues to change, so how do they adapt?
They have connections. Yes, technology connections. But they also have connections with the premier multi-site facilities management network, Connex. We help them, and we can help you connect with technology experts, facilities executives, and the resources you need to understand today's technology and how you can use it to solve your unique facilities issues. Connect with us today. We're Connex, the Association for Facilities Technology is our second language.